Hey there, aspiring photographers. Today, I'm taking you on a journey to master photography and turn it into a money-making venture on YouTube this year. Excited? Let's dive in. Photography is more than just a hobby. It's a passion that can also be a source of significant income. In 2024, the opportunities are endless. So, I'm here to share my top tips and strategies to help you master photography and monetize your skills on YouTube. We've all been there. Stuck in a creative rut, unsure how to stand out in a saturated market and feeling frustrated by low engagement on social media. The competition is fierce and the struggle to get recognition is real. But don't worry, I've got you covered. First off, investing in quality gear is a game changer. Good equipment can make a huge difference. Up next, lighting. Understanding how to play with light can elevate your photos instantly. And don't forget, editing like a pro is essential. Mastering tools like Lightroom and Photoshop can set you apart. Developing a unique style is crucial. Your signature look will make your work recognizable. Engage with your audience and build a community. Reply to comments, ask for feedback, and create a connection. Staying updated with the latest trends and techniques keeps your content fresh and relevant. Collaborate with other creatives to expand your reach. Creating content that resonates with your target market is key. Optimizing your videos for YouTube's algorithm helps get your work seen. And remember, consistency and patience are your best friends. Building a successful photography business takes time. But here's the golden nugget: understanding your niche. When you target a specific audience, your content speaks directly to them, increasing engagement and profits. Whether it's portrait, landscape, or street photography, focusing on your niche can set you apart and establish you as an authority. So, to recap, mastering photography and monetizing it on YouTube requires technical skill, creativity, and strategic planning. Follow these 10 tips, and you'll be well on your way to turning your passion into a lucrative career. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment below with your favorite tip, and don't forget to subscribe for more photography and YouTube advice. See you in the next video.